Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Google domains to Shopify. So when you open up your Shopify, as you can see, you need to sign in your account and then you need to go here at the left side of your screen, as you can see. So you need to go to domains between the apps and sales channels and the customer events. So as you can see, you need to click these domains here. So once you click this one, you'll find this page here. So at the top, you have two options: buy new domain or connect existing domain. So just click on connect existing domain here. Now here, as you can see, enter the domain you want to connect. So you have to connect your Google domain here. So you just need to go to Google domain. So as you can see on my domain, I have no domains yet. But if you have a domain, all you need to do is copy the link right here. And then once you copy your Google domain link, you want to go back to the Shopify. And then from Shopify, you just need to paste the link right here. So for example, this is the Google domain. So just an example here. And then once you've done, you just have to click this next button. Now in the next page, you will find a connect automatically button. And then you just have to log in your Google account where is your Google domain is on. And then once you've done, you can now authorize your Google domain into your Shopify account. So once you've done connecting your Google domain to your Shopify, as you can see here, you can actually edit the primary domain and change it to your Google domain. So that's how you basically connect your Google domain to your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.